This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Sam Segerstrom less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01896691. Single level home on 1 acre in Columbia. Great setting with usable property and located on a quiet cul-de-sac in Gold Springs. Inside you'll find an open floor plan with lots of living space. Features include a spacious kitchen, breakfast bar, open dining room, 2 living rooms, central HVAC, a pellet stove, and a fireplace. The bedrooms are large and each has a walk-in closet. Well maintained with a newer roof, new flooring, and fresh interior paint. Attached 2-car garage and plenty of parking space. Close to Columbia State Park and an easy drive to Murphys and Sonora. For more information, review the details below or contact Sam Segerstrom less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957.